What's up everyone, Chris here with Archipelago. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick tip on how to get some great results with portraiture using Celestial. Let's jump in. Now first thing before we do anything else is it is paramount that we set our white balance before we apply the preset. Okay, so I'm going to head up here to the right, slide my temperature up, warm it up. I try to get away with as much as I can. I really like warm skin tones. Right about there looks good. It's also looking a bit too on the magenta side for me, so I'm going to slide that down just a tad. Come back up just a little bit. I think right about there is perfect. Now what I'm going to be focusing on today are the tone mix tools that are unique to Celestial. But before we do that, let's go ahead and pick a preset. Don't worry, I'm going to lighten things up, but as you can see here, a nice wide variety of tones, all super useful. So I'm thinking I'm going to go with O2. Okay, and I'm also going to lighten things up a tad. Right about there, I'd say is good. So one of my main frustrations as a portrait photographer is trying to even out and smooth skin tone gradients without losing contrast throughout the entire image, and that's something that these tone mix tools are fantastic at. So specifically with this image, I think the shadows being cast by the brows over the eyes are just a bit too prominent. So I'm going to head over to the left here. Okay, and I'm going to try tone mix on 1, and already that completely kind of smooths out that skin gradient that I was talking about and just gives you a cleaner image without losing a ton of contrast. And as you can see here, the further we go down, adding more contrast, but overall an extremely useful tool. So I'm going to go ahead and hit tone mix 1 here. Just perfect my exposure here. I feel like I can boost it a little bit actually, now the way that it looks. I'm gonna say right there, and I love that. I think that's fantastic. So now let's go ahead and get a quick look at the before and after. I hope this quick tips was helpful and informative as always. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next one.